Hi, third graders. We are about to start our independent practice. The first step that you will need to follow is to read the word problem carefully. We will look for words to indicate if we are adding, subtracting, or multiplying. Let's take a peek. Cupcakes. The bakery prepared 112 chocolate cupcakes and 639 vanilla cupcakes for the party. How many cupcakes total? Well, right now I see that the bakery is making 112 chocolate cupcakes and 639 vanilla cupcakes. Wow, that sounds delicious. Now I look at this last question and it's asking how many cupcakes total. I need to figure out how many total cupcakes they have prepared. That tells me I will add. So I'm going to show you my place value drawing. First, I will use a place value drawing for the number 112. So for my hundreds, I will draw one box because there is a 1 in the hundreds place. For my tens place, I will draw one 10 stick. So far I have 110. And then I look at my ones place and I have two ones. For the number 639, I have 600s. So I will need to draw 600s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have a 3 in the tens place, which represents 30. 10, 20, 30. I have 9 ones, so I will have to draw 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I always like to put my ones in sets of 5, sort of like if you're using a tens frame. Now I will look at my drawing to see if I can simplify it to figure out the answer. So I ask myself, do I have enough ones to make a 10 stick? And if I have 9 ones and some left over here, why, yes, I do. So what I like to do is I like to cross out 10 ones and then make a new 10 stick so that I don't include it in my answer. I'm not subtracting anything. I'm just making a new 10 stick with 10 circles. So if I have 9 circles here, 9, 10, and make my new 10 stick right away. Make sure you make that 10 stick because we're not doing any subtracting here. We're just replacing our ones. Instead of saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we can look at the 10 stick and say 10. So it makes it a little bit easier to come up with your sum, S-U-M, the answer to your addition problem. Now I will see if I have enough 10 sticks to make a new 100. 30, 40. No, I do not. So I'm going to take a look at my ones and see how many ones I have. So I like to say that I lasso them and just make sure there are no ones here, and I circle around and I see one right there. So in my answer, I have a 1 in the ones place. And then I check to see how many 10s, and I really want to make sure that I include that brand new 10. So I count 10, 20, 30, 40, and over here, 50. So I have a 5 in the tens place. Now I'm going to look at my hundreds. I have a bunch over here, and I put them in groups of 3. So I have 600 right here, and then another 100 is 700. So I put a 7 in the hundreds place, and I get an answer of 751. I want to ask myself, does that answer make sense? If I have 600 plus 100 is 700, yeah, I think I'm on track.